Good day everyone, I'm Hurley of Warify Reviews here, back at it again with my review for the DD Hi-Fi TC44 Pro Mark III, or we'll just call it Mountain 3, yeah, for this video. Okay. Before I proceed, I'd like to thank DD Hi-Fi for sending this unit to me in an exchange for a very honest and transparent review. Rest assured that all of my reviews are honest and transparent to the core, like I always do, for the benefit of everybody, of course, including me. As I won't be editing this video that much or very extensively, since again and again, English isn't really my native language. I usually write reviews, not record video reviews, so there's that. Okay. So I have just reviewed a DD Hi-Fi USB DAC, or a USB DAC before, which was the TC35M2, and I was really impressed on how compact it is for its asking price, while delivering a very transparent, a very nearly uncolored, actually. It is a very uncolored sounding USB DAC, because as we all know, DACs in general are neutral. They shouldn't color the sound that much. It's just that the amping, or the for example, op amp or the amp module that are installed or implemented in the USB DACs really affects the sound character of the whole USB DAC. Okay, so just to clarify that up, because people tend to misunderstood what when it comes to the usual DAC configuration or the DAC sound signature, that DACs should be neutral, this and that. Yes, DACs, or the digital to analog chip, should be neutral. It shouldn't have any sound impact. It's because it only what do you call this? It only decodes ones and zeros from a sound. It's the amplifier or the op amp that is baked in with the DAC chip gives the usual sound character, so to speak. Okay, so we have here the DD Hi-Fi TC44 Pro M3. So this is the Mark III version of the TC44 series, or the TC44 Pro, as far as I know. Okay, and as you can see, it is a bit improved. Yes, it is quite improved in terms of how exquisite it is, how it is premiumly built, compared to the TC35M2 that I have reviewed before. And of course, yes, this is a bit more expensive than the TC35M2, that's for sure. This retails for around $80, $80 to $90 by the time that I record this video, and probably go down, or probably has a discount down the line, but I can't speak for that one. But that's the retail price. It is around within $80 to $90 as I record this video. Okay, and as you can see, here's the box. The box is very minimal. It is very Apple-ish, if you may. It is very minimal, yes. And yeah, I call it a Tetris DAC because it looks like a Tetris, but DD Hi-Fi calls it as the Mountain. And I do see division on that one, because it kind of looks like a mountain. It has the colors of the mountain, and I really dig that. I really dig that earth tones really much. Okay, and as you can see, here's the specifications. It is the TC44 Pro M3. It is a T-shaped high-res DAC and amp adapter, and it is in 4.4 balance and has 3.5 single-ended. It has two Cirrus Logic DACs, the 43198. It outputs 120 milliwatts on 4.4, 90 milliwatts on 3.5. So on paper, it is like your usual bog standard DACs. Those people who prefer to look at the numbers will definitely not appreciate the Mountain 3 in terms of the price. It currently is retailed at, but for in terms of experience, I can confidently say that it is well deserved. The price on the TC44 M3 is well deserved, which I'll discuss later on. As you can see, there's the dynamic range, the THD, the PCM decoding support, and yes, it also has a DSD decoding support, and it is about it is quite lightweight. Okay, Okay, so here are the inclusions that you'll be getting with the TC44 Pro. As you can see, you'll get basically nearly nothing in terms of inclusions aside from the pre-installed strap here in the TC44 Pro. But apart from that, there isn't really much aside from this one as well, which is some O-rings for you to put here in the USB-C port or the male USB-C jack of the Mountain 3, just in case that the connection is unstable. So this adds stability to the connection, physical connection specifically of the Mountain 3. Okay, and here's the Mountain 3 itself. I do love how they made this. As all of the DD Hi-Fi products, it really speaks premium, and it really speaks well for its price. You're getting the exquisite, you're getting the premium feels and the premium build quality out of it, not just the papers or the specifications on paper. You'll be getting the experience here in the TC44 Pro, and in my opinion, it is really deserved for its asking price of $80 to $90, because by far this is the most premium USB DAC that I have reviewed, and I do love the practicality wherein I don't need an extra cable for this one, and it has basically zero cables here in the TC44 Pro. Even the design, as you can see, that design isn't just a design. You can feel the design actually. You can feel that ridges to it, that lines. You can feel that, which is a nice touch to me. Yes, it is well done. It is well built. As you can see, it's the DD Hi-Fi, the Mountain 3 with the 4.4 and 3.5. It also has an indicator here. It's a LED indicator. As you can see, it's a well built USB DAC for its price, and I kinda love that. And as you can see, what I have here, yes, this is a sample from DD Hi-Fi, so thank you for that one. And it also has a lanyard hole as well, so you can put your lanyard here if you have another lanyard aside from the pre-installed one here. So overall, despite it being very minimal in terms of the accessories or the inclusions, I kinda like how the DD Hi-Fi TC44 Pro M3 is presented. It is minimal, but at the same time, it is ready to be plugged and play. Yeah, you can use this right away. It doesn't need any applications or any drivers for you to use this right away. Literally, it is just plug and play. However, if I would like to nitpick, those people that prefer to have a companion app with their USB dongles may find this a bit lacking. They may find this a bit lacking in terms of the equalization or the EQ, since this doesn't have that. This doesn't have any EQ, this doesn't have any gain modes or anything like that. Literally, you'll just use this to plug and play with your smartphone, laptop, or probably a tablet if you may. So there's that. Okay. In terms of drivability, I had no problems using this with the IEMs that I have here, even the planar sounding sets or the planar IEMs that I have here. I had no problems with that, but logically, I wouldn't use this with a headphone, in my opinion, particularly those ones with bigger drivers, because it definitely needs an amp to shine. But if your headphones are like, for example, Cosporta Pro or probably the Distant Mountain from Roselsa, this pairs with it really well. I had no problems with that one. Okay, so for most IEMs or probably earbuds as well, you won't be having any problem pairing it with the TC44 Pro Mark III. So there's that, or the Mountain 3. Okay. Now as for the sound, the sound on this one is just like the TC35M2, but a bit more louder. It is a bit louder and it is a bit more powerful. The specs on paper speaks a lot on this one. It is neutral at most. It doesn't seem to have any coloration that is to be added with the IEM. When paired with the IEM, I haven't heard any form of additional coloration or warmth actually, or even brightness. So it is very, very transparent sounding DAC, which is by far the most transparent sounding DAC that I have reviewed and heard under $100. Actually, all of the DD Hi-Fi products or the DD Hi-Fi USB DACs that I have reviewed, including this one, are very transparent. Actually, the most transparent sounding DAC that I have heard under $100. So the Mountain 3 takes the cake on that one. I do believe that most DD Hi-Fi products are sound or tuned or implemented to be that way. However, I would like to nitpick on one thing wherein the TC44 Pro Mark III or the Mountain 3 is a bit louder. Yes, it is a bit louder on volume on the when paired with the desktop computers. Like for example, when you pair this with a laptop or probably a desktop computer, it is a bit more powerful. It gives a bit more volume or power, and what do you call this, it gives a bit more power and volume when compared to when pairing this with a smartphone. I guess it is a more of a hardware limitation because phones usually have a specific volume limit or a power limit that they can give to USB DACs or USB devices, but that's the only thing that I can nitpick with this USB DAC. Its power distribution, its power or volume delivery isn't really that consistent from device to device. So I would like to pair this most of the time with my laptop or with my with my desktop computer, with my laptop. This is probably best paired with that. But if you're using this with a phone, yes, it can still deliver the power that most IEMs require, but I somehow need to crank up the volume a little bit just to get that amount of power that I need, as opposed to, or when compared to when I pair the TC44 Pro with my laptop. Okay, so there's that part. But for the most part, it will definitely drive those IEMs that you have with you with ease. I had no problems with it. Okay, now I'll transfer with the Tagalog version of this review. Okay, so there's that. I'll be switching now. Okay, bali si TC44 Pro M3 ng DD Hi-Fi, hindi siya gaano nagwawaw sa specs. If titingnan mo yung specs on paper, wala siyang wow factor. Pero dun sa experience siya, bumabawi talaga. Like for example, premium talaga yung build quality niya. Very solid. Napaka-solid ng build quality na to. Oo. One of the most compact din na may 4.4, na try ko, and sobrang sobrang compact, sobrang solid, sobrang rigid niya. Wala akong maipintas na talaga dito like deal breaker. Sa tunog nito, lahat ng DD Hi-Fi product na na-review ko talaga, neutral siya, neutral sounding, na walang coloration. Wala talagang coloration, okay? Yung DAC chip, yes, wala dapat talaga siyang additional coloration sa tunog. Kasi syempre nagde-decode lang siya ng ones and zeros. Pero yung amp module na kasama usually ng DACs is yung may factor doon sa tunog, or nag-add siya minsan ng warmth, nag-add minsan ng brightness to it. Pero ayun, itong si TC44 Pro Mark III and pati yung TC35M2 of course, wala siyang coloration na kahit ano. So napaka-transparent niya. Probably ito yung pinaka-transparent sounding DAC na natry ko talaga sa buong buhay ko under $100 or under 5,000 pesos. Ngayon, kung magninitpick ako, ang ininitpick ko lang dito, ayun nga, iba yung power delivery niya kapag nasa laptop. Mas malakas siya kapag nasa laptop. Mas, yung required na volume doon, mas onte when compared sa phone. Pero wala siyang problem mag-drive ng kahit anong IEMs, kahit sa phone or sa laptop mo siya i-pair. Ayun nga, kung halimbawa yung gagamit nito is sanay na kailangan niya ng app para mag-EQ, para magkaroon ng adjustment sa filters, ganito ganyan, and ayaw niya ng plug and play, ayun din yung pwede mong ma-nitpick dito sa TC44 Pro. Pero aside doon, under $100, if willing kang gumastos for the experience and sa exquisite na build quality, yung TC44 Pro talaga yung pinaka maire-recommend ko. Okay, now switch na ako ulit sa English review ko. Okay. Now, what is my verdict with the TC44 Pro Mark III or the Mountain 3? Well, definitely, it is one of the best USB DACs or USB dongles that I have reviewed under $100. It may not have the best or the last word on the specifications, but it makes up to itself when it comes to the overall experience. It is very premium, it is very exquisite, it is just plug and play, it has no frills, just definitely a straightforward experience, but at the same time it is very very neutral and very transparent in terms of the sound it can render. This is by far the most transparent sounding USB DAC that I have here in my arsenal, and will definitely be a keeper because of the overall experience it can give. Definitely a top recommendation if you are willing to spend the USB DAC under $100. So props to DD Hi-Fi for making the Mountain 3 its best. Definitely this is the best by far in the TC44 series that I have encountered. Okay, and now that ends my review for the DD Hi-Fi TC44 Pro Mark III. Again, I'd like to thank DD Hi-Fi for sending this unit to me in an exchange for a very honest and transparent review. Rest assured that all of my reviews are honest and transparent to the core, like I always do, for the benefit of everybody, including me, of course, because again and again, I won't be editing this extensively. Okay, so this is probably the rawest of the raw that I can give, aside from the written reviews that I usually do. Okay, as for the backlogs, there are some stuffs along the way, like for example this one, the Kiwi Ear Septet that I have here, the Heidi's Mark 12 Touris that I have here, some snow ski products, like for example this one, the Anytime and the Anywhere I have here, and there are other products along the way that will be reviewed and needs to be reviewed. Okay, so thank you for sticking by and see you on the next one.